everybody, thanks for taking another look at one of my videos. This time it's a little bit different for you. All the cars have already been made, not just mine. There's been 5 other participants for this little collaboration that we've got together. I've been very honoured to be part of a little group of builders who decided, guided by the guy I usually get my wheels off of these videos, Rowland from PNW DIECAST. He's been the Tony Stark of all this by getting everybody together and assembling us all to do a little miniature show. It's a US show, the SEMA show, a Specialty Equipment Market Association, I think it is. In the UK, it's something a little bit like the Auto Sport with a load of other shows thrown into one. So it's a big tuning affair. It's very much an international show, but it is in the US. I believe it's in Vegas every year. And so Brian got us all together and asked us if we'd all make our own little custom cars, if I would do the little booths and do the exhibition hall. So it's been really good to be a part of something where I get to see everybody else's cars and see their techniques. It's been nice little chats behind the scenes. Probably 2 or 3 months we've been working on this. So without further ado, I'll let the narration and the videos and the customs do the talking. Thanks for taking another look. And here is the 164th SEMA show. Welcome then everybody to hall number 7 of the Scale 164th SEMA show for 2020. We've got some great little exhibitions here from Brian, Sean, Philip, Greg, Adam and myself obviously. It's been a great little project to put together, and it was, as I mentioned at the start, the brainchild of Brian Rowland at PNW DIECAST, and we all agreed finish to them. Some great custom decals. And absolutely spotless finish again on them. You must go and check out his channel on his Instagram page too. Which brings us on nicely to this showstopper of a car from Hilgenfeld, otherwise known as Noodles Loud on Instagram. And it's absolutely flawless how he's crafted these two Generation 1 RX-7s based on the 2011 casting from Hot Wheels. You can't see where he's married these two together. It's absolutely spotless. And I love the muted tones across all the cars on his stand. It really does finish it off beautifully, which goes nicely with this little transporter package at the back. Being towed on the back is this lovely classic bug Volkswagen Beetle, which is a 2015 Hot Wheels casting. Again, lovely muted tones on this custom trailer, but it's been towed by another fantastic creation, this Generation 3 RX-7 based on the 2017 casting. It's got a lovely curve to that front door, how it's creating that cab. It mimics that line beautifully, but it's a custom rear end. It's quite simply unique. Both of them are. I've never seen anything like them. Absolutely beautiful pieces. A real credit to him. Again, go on to the Instagram channels of all these guys and you can see how they're built. Absolutely brilliant. And then just finishing it off is this VW Carmen Gear Type 34. Another Hot Wheels casting. Lovely muted tone again. And it's like something out of a 60s movie. It's well, it's a 60s car, isn't it, obviously. And so moving on to Greg Hanna's booth at GH Customs, and two cars with stunning shines on these cars, both painted with tropical glitz and House of Colour paints. We've got this 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner first of all, affectionately named Lynch Road, named after the Chrysler plant in Michigan that built the Roadrunner. It's got PNW die-cast wheels as always throughout. Nice engine detail, stunning shines. It really doesn't give it any justice, this video, just to how much these pop. And again, onto the brown version, the 1969 Pontiac Firebird, which is called Abbot Kinney, after the famous street in Venice, California. Again, tropical glitz and House of Colour paints. Absolutely stunning. It's got almost a pearlescent look to these paint jobs. It just glistens and glows all different shades in the light. It's absolutely stunning. Lovely, lovely car. So, as always, I will put the link in the description to Greg's builds on Instagram. Moving swiftly on is a great Porsche themed booth from Withered Customs, aka Sean McKim. It's got some lovely transporters here. All the cars, all the Porsches have effectively got lovely names to go with them. This one being the Sunburn. It's a 930 Porsche RWB, which has been roof chopped off, and the same with the cab on the transporter itself to give a great Californian soft top feel. Lovely creations that are on all of this stand from Sean. The blue transporter, again, as the pink one, it's based on a Hot Wheels 2018 casting. This one's still got the roof on this one this time, but it's marrying to a lovely next Porsche, a 930 RWB again. And on all of them, they've got this great engine detail coming out the back of all these Porsches, which has been hand painting. This one is effectively named Shade, or affectionately named Shade. There's that lovely engine bay with the twin exit pipes on the back of this car. And again, the paint finish on this is absolutely spot on. Again, tropical glitz and House of Colour paintwork. to the final one, the Traveller, with a great little top box theme on the top there. Flawlessly finished, superb decals, great engine bay detail on the rear again, superbly painted wheels, another fantastic RWP Porsche. Absolutely incredible. Very, very good stand from Sean. So finally on to myself now. There's a mismatch of, well, no, the majority of them are Japanese themed cars with one Volkswagen participant at the rear. All on BMW diecast rims. Got this classic race theme going on with the colours at the moment, which I use zero paints for. I started off with this 95 Mazda based on a 2017 Hot Wheels casting for the RX-7 and a 2016 Hot Wheels casting of the Datsun 240Z, one of my all-time favourite cars. Well, I like all these Japanese retro sports cars, if truth be told, and I've just put a little replica intercooler coming out the front there, or oil cooler rather than intercooler. It's an aspirated car, this one. And the new release, well no, it's a 2011 casting, but it's now been re-released in this year's lineup, the 2000 GT from Toyota. And just finishing off the Japanese theme is the Nissan 180 SX, based on a 2015 casting. And just to finish off this booth is my marrying together of two Hot Wheels castings, a T2 pickup from 2016 and another 2016, a Volkswagen Cafe Racer, the VW Bug Racer type thing, and I've just cut them in half, stuck them together, added a custom chassis and added a custom engine. So it's a small snippet of everybody's superb creations, and there have been some absolutely beautiful creations. It's great to see them all and see how they're put together and different people's techniques. Please look in the description for their links to their Instagram channels. You really won't be disappointed. If you're not on Instagram, get on there. There's some fantastic ideas and inspiration for all these, not just these guys, but from all sorts of builders all around the world. It's a great little community. But from Sean, Adam, Greg, Brian, Philip and myself, thank you for taking a look at this SEMA project we've put together. Until next time. So I just thought I'd put a little bit of footage at the end of this video of me putting this all together. So the cars aside, Brian, Philip, Sean, Adam, Greg, all US based, and it's very much a US baby. Well, it's an international show, the SEMA show, but it's very much a US baby. So I was very honoured from the UK side of things to be a part of this. So there's probably 60-70 hours worth of building the booth, designing the booths, laminating them, cutting the profiles, gluing, painting, the hall itself, the MDF base. It's probably 5 foot by sort of 2.5, 3 foot wide. And so I just put a bit of this footage at the end in case you're interested. So if you think it deserves a like, please do so. It really helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you really want to as well. It'll really boost up the channel rating. So I do appreciate it. Until next time, thank you very much for watching.